How can I determine the value of my property in the current market? There are several ways to determine the value of your property in this current market. One could be an online evaluation tool. There are several online valuation tools available that can provide an estimate of your property's value based on data such as recent sales of similar properties in your area. These tools can provide a quick and easy estimate of your property's value, but keep in mind that they are not always accurate and should be used as a starting point rather than a final determination. Comparative market analysis, which is a CMA. A CMA is a report prepared by a real estate professional that compares your property to similar properties in your area that have recently sold or are currently on the market. This can help you determine a more accurate estimate of your property's value based on local market conditions. A lot of times when we do a CMA for people, they always come up with a scenario, I'm not selling for less than X amount of dollars, when in reality, it's actually a whole bunch less than what they are expecting. You have to remember that the buyer has an agent looking out for them, and it's their representative. They will be doing their own homework. And if you're at that kind of price range that doesn't look like it's in line with the current market, guess what? No offer, no sale, no move. As a real estate agent, we have access to an exorbitant amounts of data, which really helps you make an informed decision when it comes to pricing your home accurately. We have these statistics for every city and every sub-area in the Greater Vancouver area and the Fraser Valley. So if you need help, don't hesitate to give us a call. Property appraisal. An appraisal is a formal assessment of your property's value conducted by a professional appraiser. This will involve an inspection of your property and an analysis of local market conditions to determine a fair market value for your home. In certain situations, an appraisal is required, whether it's a separation or a divorce. Those are the only values that a judge will actually look at. So that's why you need a professional appraiser in those circumstances. Real estate agent consultation. A real estate agent with local market knowledge can also provide guidance on your home's value based on their experience with recent sales and current market conditions in your area. It's important to keep in mind, though, that the value of your property can be impacted by factors such as condition, location, and recent upgrades or renovations. Appraising the home takes an awful lot of time and effort, especially to get it correct. You don't want it to be incorrect because that ends up costing you a lot of money. I have horror stories of people underpricing their home and selling them for a lot less money than they're worth. That just happened at land assembly. A guy sold his house as a one-off, got $950 for it, everyone else got $1,250. It's terrible when people lose money like that, and I don't want it to happen to you, and you sure as heck don't want it to happen to you. So you need to make sure you have your facts straight to make a really good informed decision. Working with a professional can help you get a more accurate estimate of your property's value in the current market. As a seasoned veteran in real estate with 30 years of experience, there isn't much I haven't seen or done. If you're looking for a fair market value of your home, don't hesitate to give us a call or text at the number below or send an email. We'd be more than happy to help you out. I look forward to chatting to you. Thanks very much.